Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OPPO. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar in Apps category. Then type in DevCheck and install this app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!